Hello everybody, how are you today? I'm fine, thank you for asking. So do you guys still remember what we have learned yesterday? Any other? Louis? Darnell? Kate? Anyone? Yep, exactly Darnell. So yesterday we have learned about gerund, and today we will learn about to-infinitive. I hope at the end of this meeting or this video, all of you can analyze the to-infinitive, the kind of to-infinitive, and the to-infinitive in a sentence, as well the differences between to-infinitive and to-gerund. Okay, before we move to the material in this video, let's make this video more interesting. I will ask to you several questions in the whole video where you can answer or respond it by put a code for every question, such code 1 for question 1, code 2 for question 2, and so on. You can put all the questions and respond to the comment in the below to make me easier to see. For the first question, can you explain to me what is to-infinitive? Write in the comment below and don't forget to add code 1. I will give you 10 seconds to write in the comment. Well done, you have answered by write in the comments. So let's read next our material about the to-infinitive. A to-infinitive is a verb consisting of the word to followed by the base form of a verb or verb 1. So the to-infinitive simply is a word to and verb 1 or base verb. In English grammar, to-infinitive is used to describe or express the purpose of the sentence. Also, the to-infinitive also can act like part of speech, such become a subject, become an object, become an adjective, become an adverb. But to-infinitive cannot be a verb. Following the structure of to-infinitive, the structure of to-infinitive format is actually simple. The to-infinitive only use to plus verb 1, to plus verb 1. Then we have a negative variant of to-infinitive. It's called negative to-infinitive, where the structure or format of the negative to-infinitive is add not in the front. So it's become not to verb 1, not to verb 1. Nah, that is for negative to-infinitive. So by this, I order you to create any example of to-infinitive following the structure to plus verb 1 and negative to-infinitive, not plus to plus verb 1 in the comment below, and don't forget to add code 2 for this time. I will give you 15 seconds for this question, so time is yours. Well, good job everyone. Give applause to all of you. Now, we next to the example of to-infinitive. We have two formats in here, positive to-infinitive and negative to-infinitive. In positive to-infinitive, we have example, I made this video to describe the to-infinitive. I made this video to describe to-infinitive. Can you recognize where is the to-infinitive in that sentence? Okay. I will order someone to guess where is to-infinitive. Darnell, where is to-infinitive in that sentence? Right, good job. Give applause to Darnell, everyone. So, the to-infinitive in that sentence is to describe. Whereas the to describe is not a verb, it's a to-infinitive because in that sentence, there have a verb made. So the structure on the sentence is I as a subject, made as a verb, and to describe is to-infinitive. This infinitive is explain why I create this video. Next example about positive to infinitive, we have she went to the market to buy some fresh vegetable. She went to the market to buy some fresh vegetable. There have double to in that sentence. But regarding to infinitive, the to infinitive is only verb, not a noun. So to plus verb in that sentence is to what? To buy. To buy is to infinitive, while to the market is not to infinitive, it's preposition. If you still struggle with preposition and to infinitive, don't worry, I will explain it later. Next is negative to infinitive. We have a sentence, he told me not to play the game. So negative to infinitive is actually same as to infinitive, but the context and the purpose it's become a negative or become normally not. So he told me not to play the game. He told me not to play the game. He is a subject, told is a verb, while the to infinitive in that sentence is not to play. Also, be careful about negative to infinitive structure because structure of negative to infinitive is only not plus to plus verb 1. If there's to plus not plus verb 1 or to not buy or to not fly in this sentence, it becomes to not fly is not to infinitive. Next, before we continue our material, I want Pico, can you explain again another function of to infinitive like what I have explained to you before? Right, kita pause to Pico. Yeah, exactly what Pico said, the to infinitive can become a part of speech, where the part of speech we have a subject, a verb, an object, an adverb, and an adjective. Well, to infinitive cannot be a verb, so to infinitive can be part of speech, but to infinitive only become subject, object, adjective, or adverb. So here's the example of to infinitive as part of speech. We have to infinitive as subject. In to infinitive as a subject, the to infinitive is put in the front of the sentence. For example, in this sentence we have to learn English language is easy. To learn English language is easy. So to learn English in that sentence is a subject. Is in that subject, it is a verb. And easy is an adjective in that sentence. Then we have to infinitive as an object. The to infinitive as an object is to infinitive that put after the verb. So we can see the example sentence on the object. We decided to learn grammar. We decided to learn grammar. We as a subject, decided as a verb, and to learn is to infinitive as an object. Next, we have to infinitive as an adjective. In to infinitive as an adjective, the to infinitive is modifier the noun. For example, in this sentence we have I need a place to stay. I need a place to stay. Where is the object in the sentence? A place. Then where is to infinitive? To stay. To stay in this sentence is modifier the noun a place. Another example for adjective, we have sentence he has a lot of homework to do. He has a lot of homework to do. Where is the noun? Homework. Where is the adjective? To do. So to do is to infinitive as an adjective that modifies the homework. Next, we have to infinitive as an adverb. So to infinitive as an adverb is to infinitive that's modifier. Modifier what? Anyone knows? Kate, Louis, Darnell, Pico, everyone? Okay, because there's no one to know what the adverb modify what. So, to infinitive as an adverb is modify an adjective. So, for example, in this sentence we have, we were happy to hear the news. We were happy to hear the news. We as a subject, were as a verb, happy is an adjective, and the to-infinitive as to hear in the sentence is a verb that modifies the happy or the adjective. Another example for to-infinitive as a verb, in this sentence we have English is easy to learn. English is easy to learn. English is a subject. Then is a verb. Then easy is an adjective. So by this, can you give me some sentence that include to-infinitive inside of the sentence? So please write the sentence in the comment below, and don't forget to add code 3 for this question. So I will give you maybe 15 seconds to write down. Start right now. Well done! You have read your sentence that contains a subject, a verb, and to-infinitive inside the sentence. Well done! Good job, everyone. Give applause to everyone. Alright, but your material is not end yet. Do you remember what I have said before about preposition? Right, preposition have to that is similar to infinitive, but to-infinitive is only to plus verb 1, while the preposition is to and noun. And because of this, I want to warn you about be careful of preposition where the preposition can be contained gerund. You already learned about gerund. Where is gerund? Okay, do you remember what is gerund is? Exactly. Verb that's from verb ing to become a noun. In this case, the gerund in the preposition can become similar to infinitive, such to learning, to learn. That's similar, but in grammar that is different. The preposition with to and gerund is a to plus noun, while to infinitive is to plus verb. Gerund or to plus gerund in preposition only become a noun, while to infinitive can be a subject, can be an object, can be a verb, and can be adjective. Simply gini, to infinitive adalah verb satu yang ditambah dengan to di awalnya, yang tadinya sebuah verb menjadi sebuah noun, bisa menjadi subject, bisa menjadi objek, bisa menjadi adjective, bisa menjadi adverb. Sedangkan untuk preposition dengan to plus ing atau gerund, di mana gerund ini berfungsi sebagai noun saja. Jadi to plus ing or to plus noun yang menjelaskan posisi, preposition to swimming. That is not to infinitive but preposition to plus verb ing. Here's the example and the comparison between to infinitive and preposition to plus gerund. So the first sentence we have, the teacher told us to learn English language. The teacher told us to learn English language, where the to learn in this sentence that is to infinitive. When the second sentence is I am looking forward to learning more grammar. There have two verb ing, but in the first ing or looking, I am looking, that is a verb. In the sentence I am looking forward to learning more grammar, to in that sentence is preposition. Well, preposition need an object or noun, and learning that is a noun or an object. Alright, before we continue our material, I will share to all of you about a web game that will help you to understand to infinitive. Here's the game. You can open the link one at the description below this video. That link will bring you to the web Learn English Kids where you can learn more about to-infinitive. We have opened this web, so if you already opened this web, you can scroll to below and found the game. This game is match the activity and the reason for doing them. Remember what I have explained about to-infinitive? What the function of to-infinitive? Anyone still remember about the function of to-infinitive? Do you still remember? Do you still remember? Kate, Louis, or Darnell? Oh, Louis, time's you. You still remember what the function of to-infinitive? Right. The function of to-infinitive is explain the purpose of the sentence. So in this game, we need to match the purpose and the activities in a sentence. So for example, we have she going to shop. She going to shop for what? For buy something. It should be for buy something. She's going to the shop. She is going. She is actually she and is. She is a subject, is as a verb. Then to the shop. I have already explained this one in the previous. So the shop, to the shop is preposition, not to-infinitive. Well, we need to find the to-infinitive that have a context about this sentence. So we have, let me see, what we have this. To see the Eiffel Tower? No. To talk about the party? No. To keep to his name? No. To buy a new computer game? That's close enough. So I will choose this one and put in the same sentence. So let me check the answer. I will try finish. Okay. Let me see. Total score open. And yeah, I was right because the total score is increased. Then after you clear this game, you can continue by the second game in this one. Well, this one you must create a sentence with to-infinitive. Jadi di game ini kalian perlu bikin a sentence yang memiliki a subject, yang memiliki verb, lalu ada to-infinitive-nya. Let's try this game. Okay, we have I'm calling my friend to invite her to my house. Well done. That is simple. All you have to do is find the subject, find the verb, find the object if there has any object, as well find the to-infinitive. Also, be careful of preposition because their sentence have two preposition that is will trick you while you try to finish the game. So be careful of preposition. So by this, I challenge all of you to play both of game and put both of grade in the comment below with code 4. Alright, for the next material, I will tell you how to analyze the to-infinitive in a sentence. According to grammatical rules, a simple sentence or clause only contains one subject and one verb. Therefore, a to-infinitive is not the main verb of the sentence. The core of simple sentence or clause is they can only have one subject and one verb. Now, I will explain how we can analyze the to-infinitive in a sentence. Look at this sentence example. So, in this sentence, we have I made this video to describe the meaning of to-infinitive. Only looking to the sentence, we can see or we can analyze by find the subject. The subject is who is do an action. It's I. I made this video. I as a subject. Then we need to find the verb. What is the primary action in that sentence? Made. I made. Made is a verb. Then what is the video? The video is object. Then where is to-infinitive? The to-infinitive in that sentence is to describe. That means the to describe is to-infinitive as adjective that modify this video or the object. That is how you can analyze the sentence with to-infinitive. So be careful about main verb and to-infinitive. Now it's your turn to analyze. So I order you to analyze the sentence in this screen. You can choose the first sentence or the second sentence. It's up to you. You can choose one sentence or you can choose both sentences to analyze. So you can put your analysis in the comment below with code 5 for this time, and I will give you maybe 20 seconds to analyze the sentence. So time is yours. Well done! You have analyzed the sentence by your skills. So, good job and give applause to all of you. Let me explain to you the result of analysis of both sentences. In the first sentence, we have Ellen saved her money to buy candy, while Corinne took a break to rest. This sentence has two clauses. So, if you remember the core of clauses or simple sentence that contain one subject and one verb, while this sentence have two clauses. So, two clauses contain two subject and two verb. By this, it's connected by the conjunction in the sentence is while. Here's the thing. To analyze the first sentence, we need to break down every main subject and verb. So it means in this sentence we have two subject, two verb, and two infinitive, as well one connector or conjunction. In this sentence, the first subject is Ellen. The first verb is save. Then the first to infinitive is to buy. Linked by while or linked by conjunction while, where the second subject is Corinne. Then the second verb is to. Then the second infinitive is to rest. That is for the first sentence. For the second sentence, this is a full trap because there is another soul to play to rest. Where is the verb? Where is the subject? Actually, the subject is not there. There is called a dummy subject or a fake subject. The real subject is another soul, and the verb it is. Then, which one the to infinitive in this sentence? To put or to rest? If we analyze this sentence, to infinitive in this sentence actually both of them. The to infinitive can be to put or to rest, or can both of them. This is why I call the second sentence is a trap, because first, the subject is not in the first sentence, and second, they have two to infinitive. So don't mind about the subject and the verb. If you guess wrong about the subject and the verb, that doesn't matter. What thing that matter in this material is you can analyze the to infinitive in the sentence. So whoever who can analyze the to infinitive, both this sentence or one of the sentence, you really good. So give applause to all of you. Alright, I think it's all about this meeting about to infinitive. So before we end this class, I have the last challenge for all of you. So if you check in the description below, we have a second link. In the second link, there is the prompt that will evaluate how well you skill about to infinitive. Before we closing this video, I hope you can answer the Google form below in the second link below the description. So please guys, answer that, and don't forget to put the result in the comment with code 6. Okay, by this all of the material are done. You have understand about the to-infinitive and the type of to-infinitive, as well the difference between to-infinitive and to-gerund, and how you can analyze the to-infinitive in a sentence. So by this you have a great job in this class. So again and again, give applause to all of you. Okay, I think it's all about my presentation and this meeting. So I will close it. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.